as you can see, we are in the demo design phase inside of this 4,000 square foot, 5-bedroom, 104-year-old brick house, which we said we would finish all of this stuff and have it all pretty within a year of purchasing. We're really close to that year.
No, we want to be done before next April. I think we can do it. Or maybe we did chew off more than we can try. But yes, we're in the demo design phase, and more demo than design. Now that you're here, let's go check it out. Come on.
It's the fun part.
We might just have bit off more than we can chew.
We said that we would remodel it within 1 year.
You walk with us and you can tell us whether we bit off more than we can chew or whether we're gonna do it in a year. Suit up, put your mask on. We're going through the dining room into what's gonna be a bathroom and also what's gonna turn out to be kind of a part of the kitchen too. So far, the engineer said we could take down this wall. It's not load bearing, which is a good thing. Look, it travels the same way as the floor joist upstairs, not holding anything except the plaster of the old wall. Then come on in here. This right here, this used to be Butler's pantry. It's no longer that. It's an open space that's connected to the kitchen. So we're still in the design, I say design, but it's deciding and designing, or maybe arguing and deciding as to what.
It's very much arguing, but it's okay. It's out of love.
It's not arguing.
It's okay. It's all right. Well, we have come up with an idea. We are going to put a bathroom down here. The idea is to put a wall here.
Yep.
So you won't see this anymore.
Right.
And there'll be a full bathroom right here. And then this room over here is going to have a bathroom connected to it.
It's not a full bedroom or anything. It's a room that's gonna have something that is a bed-like fold out or something. We don't know yet, but that opening is gonna stay. We're gonna come into a bathroom here. There's gonna be, come on, quick.
It'll probably be like a toilet, a vanity, and a shower.
No, we're not gonna come in and see a toilet. I don't think so, it's not the way it's gonna go. We're gonna do a vanity, toilet, shower. Because you can put a toilet maybe here where the shower wall is. Haven't totally designed that yet, but there's gonna be a wall right here. I know everybody, a lot of you, 75% of the people said, keep the Butler's pantry. Well, we had a fake Butler's pantry that they put in over here in like the 70s, and then we had the real one here that you walk through. Old, non-efficient cabinets, old, non-efficient space use. It just didn't work out right. That's why it had to come out. Honestly, we could incorporate all this space on the other side of this new bathroom into the kitchen, which is we're having some difficulties trying to do.
And now we're gonna go and walk into the kitchen. So I'll sit on the other side. So now I am in the middle of the kitchen and I am technically standing on the area of the island. We're trying to figure out the layout of the kitchen because we want it to be very grand, but also feel homey. So there are 3 things that we definitely know that are going on in this kitchen. And Dad, do you want to explain what those are?
The 3 things are, is they're definite. This wall is getting closed up. Those stairs right here, they're not gonna come down straight. We are keeping them to go upstairs. They're gonna be reconfigured this way. They're gonna curve a little, look a little more elegant. And that wall right there, this wall is coming down. Think an arch to mimic the arch that's in there.
Which we will show you that bathroom shortly.
We'll get to that bathroom later, but that arch is going to be mimicked in this big entrance here and also somewhere over there. But
those are his 3 ideas, or I agree with most of them. The one that's really going to hinder the kitchen, in my opinion, I do like having them, but if the kitchen were bigger already, I would keep them. It's the stairs, because just think about it. Here's my idea. So we have the big ass island in the middle, right here. Then we have a beautiful sink with 2 dishwashers. The stove in our idea is gonna go right here. And then you have stairs. But where's the fridge? Because it would be really nice to have the stove next to the fridge. And if we could kind of make this an L here, we'd have more upper cabinets, maybe have a little bit of counter space, then the stove, and then a little bit of counter space, and then the fridge. Jeff over here thinks that the fridge should go all the way over there. And that's just too far for me when I'm cooking. So I want your opinion. Should we get rid of the stairs or should we keep them? Here's where they go. Voila. Comes to the middle of the house.
Chloe, you can't get rid of the stairs.
You can get rid of the stairs.
Hear me out here, everybody that's watching. You get rid of those stairs right there. There's no reason to have those stairs going down to the kitchen. So when you have this elegant staircase that comes up here that could go down to the kitchen, you're deleting that, and it's just part of the heart of the house. It could just be a gallery wall. What?
It could just be a gallery wall.
Gallery wall.
Or the door, that could be a linen closet.
I already have too many linen closets in this house. So now that we're upstairs, away from really the demo, more of the thinking space design, because a lot of this has been demoed out. Let's go see kind of the design thoughts we've had for the master bedroom, bathroom, sitting room. This right here, this huge room, this is the master bedroom. It's pretty big. It's super bright. The sun is that way, the river is that way. There was a Jack and Jill bath here for the other room on the other side. It's all gone, except for the plumbing and some of the floor. We're gonna be taking all that stuff out.
Two different thoughts. So technically you could turn this into another bathroom. It would be the same footprint, but it wouldn't be like a master bathroom in this huge 4,000 square foot house. So there's one idea, which is the same footprint, or from the engineer, we could put this wall 2.5 feet further into this room and make that a little bit larger and maybe reconfigure a little bit. Or we could make this the closet, the master closet that you'd walk through from your bedroom, and then you'd have a door into your master bathroom, which would be in this bedroom. But the problem is this bathroom would be huge, and I think that it might be a little cold. Yes, you have the space, but how do you make it cozy, which we're supposed to make it cozy like a bungalow, and I don't know if that's possible in here. So we're gonna figure this out.
I think you make things cozy by like sectioning off certain things, like sectioning off the toilet from the shower, maybe doing different description of elegant.
Maybe, actually a good thought, Dad.
Oh, you just had it, huh?
Maybe we could use, like, you know, like usually really big bathrooms, they use like white or marble tiles. Maybe we just do really moody tiles. So you always need inspiration for a room, and here is my inspiration that I found. Even though this picture is a smaller bathroom, I like the idea. 1 second, look at this. You have this moody blue wall. I love having like a ramen bowl type of tub and then the shower. So you kind of have like a wet shower area, so everything's included in here. And then you have the vanity. So I was thinking, if you take this photo and we look at the room here, so from that photo, remember, you see it? Then we go this way. What if we do the double vanity here when you walk into the bathroom. Then you do a toilet that has a knee wall with the shower that starts the shower with the glass. Then your shower's in this corner that can wrap around. You have a huge piece of glass that comes this way. Then you have your ramen bowl here, and it's not interfering with the windows. You get the natural light from the windows when you're taking a shower in your ramen bowl or you shower.
You've sold me on it.
But what do you do? Come over here, come over here. What do you do with this empty space over here? With all of these windows, we can't put anything underneath them unless we did like a bench or something. But do you not put the ramen bowl over there? Do you put the ramen bowl here and then just a long shower with like double shower heads?
It's like a 12-foot shower.
I don't know, it's too big. Even if I put blue tile everywhere, I don't think it would make it feel cozier.
So
what's the
this
idea?
would be like a sitting room / bathroom. If you put the tub over here, it makes this whole place the bathroom.
Yes, so maybe we separate the tub with the shower. Maybe we keep the tub and the shower together and make this like a little sitting area. You can talk to someone while they're in the tub. I don't know. It's so large. So if we go over here, so we're just talking about the master bath, but behind this is actually going to be a small bedroom with its own bathroom. Again, we don't know the complete layout, but with it being a bedroom here, we might have like we'll open it with a pocket door maybe, have a vanity, toilet, and a little shower. So the reason we are adding a bathroom is, number one, it's easy because we're going to have plumbing already for the master bath here. We can tie it in. Number two, this is a middle bedroom that does not have a hall bath connected to it or allowing it to have a bathroom access. So we're going to have a bathroom for it. Let's go see the other 2 bedrooms.
Let's do it.
2 additional bedrooms.
Come on, let's go see the original 2 bedrooms, how they are now and how they will be with the Jack and Jill bathroom in between. Just see the craziness we're having to deal with. Come on. We have a bedroom here and a bedroom here. So let's do this one first, okay? We are gonna get rid of this carpet, no fear. The 70s carpet will be gone. There's not much we're changing in here. The fireplace is staying. We might get another facing on the fireplace. I don't know, because that's an old coal fireplace, which we aren't gonna use. It just has to look pretty. This closet is gonna stay where it is. This, however, might change a little. What we're thinking is, this is a ceiling for the stairs coming up from the kitchen downstairs. Can't move that, can't do anything with that. What we can do is maybe reduce the size of it a little, make these deep shelves that we can put things on. Up here is like a game changer for me because we don't have to put a lot of stuff in the attic. 9 months out of the year, our winter stuff will hang on hangers, a hanger in the back. Like here, let me show you. There's gonna be a pole here, which will hold winter clothes from that side to this side. Then in front of that, you're gonna have maybe 2 holders, one up high, one down low. That way you can have your clothes up here, and then you can also go through them down here. So it's gonna be 2 closets, but this one's gonna be like what you would think that you would store in your attic. People are gonna love it because one of those things in these houses that they lack is closet space. We come this way, bedroom. Bedroom, like I said, is staying the same. We're getting rid of the shutters. The windows will be all functional. They're all functional now. They've just been caulked shut on the inside, but that's awesome. Probably get rid of this handrail. This is gonna leave. We don't need this anymore. This door, we're gonna envision this moving over a little because in this Jack and Jill, we're going to put a either a single large or a double small vanity here. We need 21-ish inches, so that door is going to move over to provide our depth here. This door is going to move over this way and either be the same stationary opening doors coming in or opening out. Don't know yet. Probably a pocket door here so we don't encroach either here or there with a swing of the door. You're going to come in here. We're going to have a shower here, a toilet there. Imagine there being a little wall here that we're going to put our valves on. Shower head here. That way we can still leave this window for great light coming in, and also you can open the window when you're taking a shower. I don't know who likes to do that, but I will. I think it'll be great. You'll still have a fan and everything, push water, air out, but we're not gonna take this out because it's in brick and it's already here, and it's kind of, you know, having the history still here. We don't want to take a lot of history out of the house. We just want to conform it for a little modernity so we can enjoy it. We'll be taking up the floor to get us all to the cast iron that's just still here. Check this out. This is why we're replacing it, and that's why most people will. There's a crack there. And yes, it's not a drain that water is draining down here. If we had a third floor on this house, there would be water coming out of that and it would be problematic. Also, I think downstairs here, there is a spot on the ceiling from either this on the toilet area or something like that. But anyway, that being said, we're taking out all the floor in here to access for our new plumbing layout. So let's go to the next bedroom. And here we are. We're in our second bedroom, the second one attached to this Jack and Jill bathroom. Huge bedroom, to be honest with you. A lot of windows. This is a original closet for it. This is pretty much staying the size it is. Look at this floor, crazy. Carpet has been here probably, by the looks of it, probably 40 years, 50 years. Beautiful floor underneath it. So this will be the closet for this bedroom. And over here was a closet for these two bedrooms. What we're gonna actually do is wall this up. What does that mean? We'll have a wall here. We can open this door, change the swing this way to a dead wall instead of it, you know, coming in here and not being able to get to your switches.
Okay, well that is it for today. Demo in bathrooms we've been talked about, and we are out
of here.
Let's go figure out our design options.
That's our 9 to 5.
See you next
See you later.
time.